So hi guys. So I was just browsing the web and I found this question on the internet. It is a question on valid parentheses. It is primarily asked by Facebook. It's an interview question. It's an easy one, so we will be taking a look at it. So given a string containing just the characters, the braces over here determine if the input string is valid. An input string is valid if the opening brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. Note that empty string is also considered valid. Example 1 is this one. So it's a very interesting problem. Let's take a look at it. So let's go and review our editor. Let's create. We'll be doing this in Python actually because it's easy to do it in Python. So my logic is that given an expression like this, let's do, given an expression like this is a valid expression. Now how we will determine that this is a valid expression? Actually we will be transversing through the string. We will be actually first we will convert that string into an array or list in Python, and we will be popping out or deleting the items according to it. So let's say the first item is this. We will be popping out the relevant closing item, which is this one. So once we popped out, we will be popping out this, then we'll be checking this one, and we'll be popping out the relevant item, then we'll be checking this one, and we'll be popping out the relevant item. If the after popping out everything, if there is empty list, then it's going to return true. If not, then it's going to return false. Okay, so let's take a invalid example to be more clear precisely. Okay, over here it's going to firstly go through the list and going to find this, and then it's going to delete this one and delete this one. Then going to go over here and it's going to try to find the closing brace of this pair, but it's never going to find. That's why it's going to return a false value. So that's cool. That's it. That was the easy solution. Let's get begin. So first things, we're going to need a mapping that which bracket pair opens and closes. We need a map for that. So mapping is going to be equals to over here. Let's do create quickly the mapping. Let's go over here. Okay, so the mapping is ready. Now we need to define a function. So def brackets, we will need an expression for that, and over here. Okay, so first thing we need to do is make convert the string into a list. So chars equals, we're going to use a list comprehension for this val for val in exp. Okay, it's going to create an array for that. So while we're going to say len of char is not equals to 0. If that is not equals to 0, then we are going to try. Why we're using a try or error handling block? Because there might be the character which will not be present in our dictionary, then it's going to throw an error. If it throws an error, that means the character is not present. That means there are two conditions for that, that the character will not be present. First thing, the closing bracket, the closing braces is in the front, or the closing brace is not present in the string. This is going to throw an error. In this two condition arises, then the expression or parenthesis expression is not valid. So let's begin doing. Let's go to char dot remove. We're going to take the dictionary of mapping dot get, and we want to do this continuously with the first character of the string, because after popping out it's going to check for the next one, and we're going to check for the next one, and we're going to check for the next one. So each time we are essentially checking always the first character of the string of the actually the list there in this case. So get chars of 0, it's going to do is going to remove, and it's going to check. So except accept value error. If it throws a value error, it's going to directly return a false value. So that means we don't have a valid parenthesis. And then finally we are going to do is we're going to do chars dot remove, and we are going to do chars of 0. Okay, and after that we're going to return the true. So let's go over on the down. We're going to take an input from the user. So let's say expression or exp is equals to input. Enter the expression over here, and we're going to print the f string over here and exp. Then we are going to call the brackets and call the exp function. So let's run this program, and we are going to run the brackets.py over here. Expression, let's see. Yeah, it's true. Let's do a false expression. Yeah, it's a false. So actually this was our code actually for the whole program. It's actually great. So bye bye, see you in my next video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.